Hey friends, if you wish to change computer name in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab. Now scroll down to about and click on it. Click on rename this PC, change the name of this PC, click on enter to hit next, whatever you want to, and then you will have to restart the computer. Now I'll select the option to restart later. But what does it mean by changing the computer name? Basically, changing the computer name means changing the uh, it basically means changing the name of the physical device. It doesn't mean changing the name of the Microsoft account or the local account or the user account. For example, if I was to go to this PC, C drive and users, it the username is Gamin. It's not Karan. It's not my name. So this is only changing the name of the physical computer device, and it is possible as I've shown you. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.